So it is lunch break Monday, also known as Mad Monday, Rant Monday. But who can be mad when we've got this little thing, right? Oh my goodness. All the kisses. All the kisses. We want to have all the kisses, right, Bubba? I'm calling all the puppies now Bubba. That's their new nickname. I know you're here. He's looking at me like, but that's my name. What are you doing using that name? That's my name. I'm talking to your sister right now, Bubba. You can keep the toys over here though. You want the toys? Right here? Under Mama's leg? Okay, the topic of Mad Monday, while this one settles down to have her nap. Yeah, you're gonna have a nap now. Let's go back a long time ago, a total of, I don't know, 13 days. No, it was probably more like 15 days. So let me tell you the story of being a part-time YouTuber, someone who doesn't make any money on this platform. I do this all for fun. So this is my story of not really investing in the tools and items needed to actually be successful for YouTube. So I have an ancient MacBook because I prioritize my handbags over my software. And my ancient MacBook Pro works just fine in my opinion. So I'm just waiting for it. It's hanging on for dear life. So I have, you know, all the little tools that I think I need to survive. And I decided when I was going to embark on this YouTube journey that I wasn't going to spend a lot of money on, you know, cameras and lighting and software and all that stuff. So I went, you know, path of least resistance. I was hobbling along on my phone for the longest time because it's just what I had, but I finally upgraded and now I have a Pro Max, which I'm loving and I think it does a great job. And I was thinking that my computer and software were going to chug along just fine because I had made sure to get a product that would handle 4K video when I got to that juncture of my journey. But lo and behold, 3 days before Vlogmas starts, my software stops working. I shouldn't say stops working. What happened was there was some, I think, iOS update, and every time that happens, I have to reactivate the software, and it wouldn't activate. It just kept going around in circles and launching but not activating, and when you did that, you were in the provisional stage, so I couldn't basically process my videos anymore. I was just freaking out because here we are 3 days before Vlogmas is going to start and I don't have editing software. The software I had used prior doesn't do 4K and really doesn't do anything special. I could add music. I could do some blur effects. That was back when Stefan was helping me edit way back, my first, like, I don't know, 10 videos or so. And I switched over to this new software not long after, and I've been using that and getting pretty proficient in utilizing it for the longest time. And I thought, this is going to be great. I paid for this upgraded version of it. It's going to work out. Well, little did I know that just a few months ago, I guess this company decided to launch a whole new iteration that wasn't part of the one I paid for. And I just got really pissed off that they did this new subscription version of it, and I wasn't gonna pay for it. So eventually it just stopped working. I couldn't get it to work. I took it out of the what do you call it? I took back the software update to try to see if that would fix it. Didn't work. So a couple days before Vlogmas, I'm stuck without software that I could use and trying to figure out what software I could buy that was similar, had the same type of interface, or I guess GUI, they call it. So the user interface. And I was just like struggling, trying to figure out which one I could purchase with enough time that I could learn it in 3 days before having to edit all these videos. And everything I came across was just like, it was just, I was so upset. I thought about just not even doing Vlogmas, but this is my favorite time of year. And probably looking back at it now and of doing this, I probably should have just skipped, because I've got the child here that I'm going to spend some time with, and just haven't had a whole lot of interesting stuff. But I really like doing this. I think it's fun to upload every day, even if it's not the most interesting. For most people, I know my views aren't extensive. I do it just to try to get better and try to, you know, have content out there that if people are like me, they might find interesting and want to binge and enjoy. So I was like, nope, I'm going to do this. So I finally just looked around and people were like, just use iMovie. You know, a lot of folks do use it and are quite proficient at it and actually produce pretty decent content utilizing iMovie, and it's free. It comes with your device, and it was the quickest thing I could learn in the time that I had, and I'm doing okay with it. I can't, I haven't tried doing any effects or anything other than the little like title cards in between and adding music in, but I used to, you know, add in extra photos or other items, maybe, you know, dual B-roll as they call it. And I'm told that it does do that, so I'm going to try when I have some extra footage to try to get a little bit more proficient on it. And I've read other YouTubers that are utilizing iMovie and don't think they need Final Cut Pro or anything else. So I'm going to limp through Vlogmas with iMovie, and as long as I can until I can get another a newer computer, and at that point I'll go ahead and splurge on probably Final Cut Pro at that point. But yeah, that's kind of my rant for just not being able to, you know, have the stuff necessary. I should say not being able to. I could. I'm just cheap. I insist on spending my money on, you know, things that are important, like the baby, like my handbags, the things that matter to me. And I'm not gonna, you know, go off and frivolously spend on things I don't really use that much of. And again, I'm not in this to have a career. I know there's people who do this as a second career or second job. I do this for fun. I'm trying to get better at public speaking and putting myself out there, so to speak, because I don't do that well, and I know I don't. So this is just kind of to get over my public speaking issues and being a little bit more of an extrovert when I know I'm not. I'm an introvert. So yeah, I am just going to utilize the tools that I have and to the best of my ability. And if iMovie ends up being what I need to use for the time being, my content's going to change for a little while and be a little bit less refined. Not to say that I've been that refined for the last, you know, year or so, but I think the videos had gotten a little bit better. At least my editing had gotten better in the interim, but we'll see how things go. So thanks for listening to my rant. The rest of the day we're going to be playing with Miss Pickles. We'll be working, and we'll see what this week brings. So hopefully a lot more fun. Okay, it's advent calendar time.
Pickles.
I need it. She needs the alcohol. Sweetie, I need it more than you right now. Just saying. Just saying. It's like, no, give it to me.
What's that old meme? Like mommy drinks because of you.
Yeah, exactly. Mommy drinks because of you.
It's a white
Crush. Revoner.
That's a varietal I am unfamiliar with.
Yeah, that sounds interesting.
Let's hope it's tasty.
Finally, a white.
Yeah. Been inundated with red. Luxembourg.
Yeah. It's day 12.
Doce. That's a big one over here.
Uh-oh,
Got it
it's
in
a
position?
toy. It's a toy. Pickles. It's a toy.
Ready for the
Your
reveal?
dad's
Here we
gonna
go.
be- What is that?
Ooh, it's a hot cocoa or something.
It looks like a cupcake.
It's got a straw,
That
so it's
is
a...
a toy.
it's a cocoa.
Where's Pickles? It's Pickles. Should give it to me. Give me the toy. And
Do I
he's
give
gonna
it to
come
her?
in here and go, no, that's gonna be mine. So
Well, if you can share it. She's got it.
me.
It's a little big for you, little girl. But
She's like, I don't care. I got it. It's mine. Okay, she's running off with it.
yeah.
All right.
Let her play with
That's
it,
awesome.
okay?
Let's get the bones. Advent calendar.
Okay.
Day 12. Day 12. Day 12. Oh, right here under
You can play with it.
Mr.
Just don't
Santa's
destroy it.
sleigh. I think the only reason why he's like not taking it is he's like, there's a bone in this box. I'm gonna take this.
Whoop, that one's
Uh-oh.
24 is falling down.
Whoops.
Tuck that back up. Spoiler alert! But still.
It's falling apart.
Yeah.
Maybe shove that
Okay,
door
let's-
underneath it.
Oh, there's a good idea, yes. There we go. That'll prop it up.
Jack handy.
My smart wife.
What's the
It's
flavor?
another... And that's the mini bone with sweet potato. Since
Sweet potato. It's look fantastic time. Where's day 12? Everything's in. Oh, there it is. Thank you. If I didn't have my eyes here.
it's a little pot of something.
It's a silver pot of something. It is LMS. I've had this before.
It's another good thing that's worth the money.
It's a trial size. I mean, it's fine. It's a good brand. I like it. So,
I
yay.
like that full-size scrub thing.
No, not like yesterday. I mean, this in full size would have been awesome, but this will do. But last but not least is our chocolate.
So where's the chocolates? Where's the doce? Dia doce. There we go.
What do we got? Is it a big door?
I'm trying to... Is that actually the... Oh, I guess it is. Yes.
Holy crap.
Yes, it is. It's a large door. Large door is large. Ooh,
What do we got?
it's an umbrella.
Oh, interesting. Go ahead and crack that open.
Yeah, okay,
Let's have a taste.
Let's peel the foil
I've never
back and see.
seen something so fancy.
Okay, here we go.
So fancy.
Oh, okay. No, it's not. I think it's like a pop, like a ring pop sort of thing, except it... Nope, it's chocolate.
Oh, wow. Okay. Go
It's chocolate.
ahead and try that out.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. What are your thoughts?
Well, it's Lindt chocolate, so it doesn't suck.
It's all we aim for. It doesn't
Yeah.
like, there's no filling or anything?
I don't know. I just bit off the tip. You want to try?
Sure. Oh, it's all chocolate.
Yeah, it looks that way. All right.
Nom, nom, nom.
We'll wrap the...